Yo, if you are somebody who has been thinking about joining LiveGood, but you was wondering whether or not this company was legit, can you really make money with it? Is the hype real? Well, let me be the one to confirm to you that LiveGood is the real deal. I just recently received my first $25 commission from LiveGood. You can see right here, I put a little screenshot, $25. And then you see with the little matrix bonus, which ain't much, but it's gonna add up over time. But you see a little 25-cent little matrix monthly bonus that I get. And honestly, like, I seen so many people talk about LiveGood. I joined a little over a month ago, and I put a few videos up about this opportunity, and it just felt so good to see that $25 commission come in, because, you know, anytime you join the opportunity, you know, that's so new, because LiveGood is very, very new. But when you actually see all these other people show their commissions and their payment proof and everything, you sit back and you're like, damn, that looks so cool, man. Like, I want a commission, right? And then when you finally get it, you like, okay, I'm ready to rock and roll now. This is the real deal. Let's go. Because the way they say they pay you, the commissions, the time, you know, that they say they pay you, and you check your account and the money's in there, like, that's all I needed to see. All right, that's all I needed to see. So if you are somebody who was thinking about joining LiveGood and you was on the borderline, you know you would go hard with this opportunity, but you just wanted to make sure it was cool, right? I'm telling you, it is. All right. One other thing, you know, I just got this, my first commission. I'm keep it real, right? $25. There's people in LiveGood that has made, you know, thousands of dollars so far, but you know, we all got to start somewhere. And all I did was post, you know, some videos about this opportunity. So what I'm telling you is, if I can do it, if I can generate a commission with LiveGood, and I'm promoting several other things, and I still managed to get this first commission, you can do it too. Trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. You just have to put in some effort and be consistent. So when you join LiveGood, you're going to get your affiliate links. You're going to get your affiliate link for the store, for the products, and you're going to get your opt-in page. And that's mainly what you're going to promote, you know, to build up your business. But decide how you want to promote this opportunity. If you want to do YouTube, then do YouTube, but be consistent with it. Try to put out at least 2-3 videos a week on your YouTube channel. If you're going to do Facebook marketing, you know, have a schedule, have a strategy, and be consistent, because that's how I got this opportunity. I posted several videos and I just stay consistent, and I'm going to continue to stay consistent and just watch the commissions and my monthly income continue to grow. Of course, anytime somebody joins an opportunity that I'm involved with, I always reach out to you and offer my help in helping you get started, set up, and even brainstorming with you to help you start earning income. So I'm super excited to keep on earning with LiveGood. If you want to jump on the LiveGood team, you already know. Click the first link in the description, take the LiveGood tour, and I will see you on the team.